Is er nou echt of what is this? Just find a dead bird at the front of a door. Let me see. Let me see you grab it. Damn. Is it alive? It's alive. Whoa. Whoa. Subhanallah. I feel like Jesus. It's alive. Hey. Come on, birdie. Hey. Come on, bird. Fly, fly, fly. Fly, 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 fly. Is it sleepy? What is this? Whoa. It's sleepy. Whoa, it's sleepy time. That's crazy. It's sleepy time. It's supposed to sleep in a nest. It's not your place to sleep. Look. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. Fly, fly, go. It's sleeping. But the eyes are open. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Go. Go, go. What the hell is this? Your eyes are open. Are you dying or sleeping or what is this? Yeah, move. It's sleeping. Go. Go back. Go upstairs. Yo, fly. Fly, يا صاحبي. Fly. It's an earthquake. What is this? I'm confused. She's confused. Let me see, it's breathing well. You think it's breathing? Yeah. يا صاحبي, go to the tree. Go upstairs. Bro! Before the big rat will come, you know, the threat, it will eat you up. Go, 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 fly. Subhanallah al-Azim. Subhanallah. Well, bro, I'm trying to wake you up. Fly. Fly. The eyes are, look at the eyes. He's awake, but he's sleepy. Fly. Oh my God. Well, bro, sleep well, I guess. Bye-bye.